Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mark, and I do have some things I want to share with you tonight. I'm just hanging out here watching TV and waiting for the debate to come on. Figured this ought to be fun. But I have some packages I want to open up before we do that. And actually, I've got a stack here to my side, and then there's one more over here that I'm actually not gonna unbox, but I just wanted you to see it. I'm going to start by telling you what that one is. That one is actually a new Tonto cover for my truck. Or is it a new truck for my tonneau cover? I don't know yet. But we'll see how that plays out. You'll see it soon. This one is from the company EcoFlow. And you guys may remember a little while back I bought a solar powered generator for our RV. Well, for a number of things, but for the RV as well. This is actually one of their product lines, and it's actually a connector that gives me the opportunity to charge this thing via an EV style charge station. And I'm kind of excited about that. So that means I could take it out when it's low, hook it up to a fast charger, and have this thing charged in a record amount of time. And that's actually what that is. That's for the generator side. That's for the EV side. So that's kind of cool. In fact, you don't realize how cool that is. EcoFlow. EcoFlow, however you want to pronounce it. I'll show you this, just so you know. EcoFlow. You decide. All right, so that's one item. Let's see what some of these other Amazon Prime packages are. I got a feeling both of these are for the RV. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah. So this one is actually, I've done this before on this channel. This is from Matt of Matt's RV, and this is the liquefied RV toilet treatment. This stuff is probably, my opinion, strictly my opinion, one of the best ones on the market. We've bought it a number of times. It works out well. Very happy with their product. And I may be thinking this is something all along the same lines, because I know we're stocking up on a bunch of stuff for the RV. We got a couple trips coming soon. Oh no, this is for me. This is one of... I decided it was time to invest in myself a little bit and get a new toothbrush by Oral-B. Again, not sponsored by, just a fan of. And actually, I've never had one of these yet, so I'm kind of excited to try this out. So Oral-B Pro 1000. Yeah. Of course, it's in black, because just about everything I own is in black. 300% more plaque removal in hard to reach areas. Okay. I'm all about that. Anyway, that's what I got for you right now. I'm gonna check out some debate on the TV, and I don't know. You guys have a great day, unless of course you've made other plans. Till the next time, peace out.